So today I'm talking about the Abanaki oil separator, and I have my 10 to 15 gallons. I really don't know how big this is, but I think it's a 10 to 15 gallon tank, and I'm using the Abanaki disk. This is I think it's like the 11-inch in the diameter disc. This is my favorite. I went through a few of them to kind of find the perfect one. The only problem is I haven't set up this permanently yet on my CNC machine, but really happy with the results. By the way, this is the fastest. This does in about half an hour to an hour. It does a tank like this, and I'll show you different pictures of how fast it cleans that tank. So after about an hour, I got my little container full, and the tank is pretty clear. Love this thing. After it comes out from the oil skimmer, the Abanaki that I was showing you, this is kind of like the result. Now, I bought this separatory funnel, and then I just load this into the separatory funnel, and then usually I just have to wait just a little bit, depending how bad it is. Right now it's kind of mixed, so I'll give it like about half an hour, and then I'll come back here. So what happens after about an hour is that the fluids separate, since the bottom is the coolant and the top is oil and dirt. You see how I might have two layers here. What I do with the top part is I filter the oil, passes through two filters, and then I may reuse that second oil. Anyway, this is how it looks in the separator. You just open the separator. See, super clean. Then the oil comes out. Those bands that you see here are actually bands from another session. And here goes. Just got that fluid clean coming out. Milky color. And then as it gets towards the end here, I let a little bit go. It's my bad. Usually you have to stop right before. So I could do this one again, or close enough, clean enough. Then I switch. I come to this one. And this one is almost full, so I can only let a little bit. Now you can see that this oil is really dirty. So that's why it needs to go to a few filters. We close this up, it's almost full, and then once it filters, then I keep going. Then the rest of the oil, I just put it through a filter, and then I get the clean oil.